Hello, everyone. My name is Lizette Montelongo, and I am a proud travel agent and owner of Emerald Impressions Travel Agency. And in today's video, I want to take a moment and introduce myself and tell you guys a little bit of who we are. So, I've been a travel agent for a couple years now, and our business is family owned. So, you will see my family members popping in and out in our videos. You might even spot my fur baby on occasion since I love to travel with him. So, as a Disney and Universal Studios fan, my areas of expertise is Disney, is Universal Studios, and is all-inclusive resorts. So, what you can expect from the channel is tips, is tricks, is travel hacks, so you can create as much as unforgettable memories on your vacations. So, if you're a travel lover and you would like to know more tips or tricks, please subscribe, follow us on our social media, and I hope to see you in our following video. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you have a great day.